Hi, I'm Dr. Drbok, and I'm thinking you're watching this video because I have your child in one of my classes. So I teach chemistry and two different physics in high school, and I think parent-teacher conferences are coming up, and I look forward to getting a chance to meet you in a remote way, but I hope that works out for us. I wanted to point out a few things so that if you have some questions and you can't make it to the conferences, or we have a schedule conflict, that you'll be able to understand roughly what's going on. So let me point out a few things. So first thing is contact information. So I can be reached through the school phones or email. So email is my preferred way that then I can respond with some thought and get back to you. So I'm pretty good about responding to email, so that's a great way to contact me. My email is listed there. Also a phone, so I am available throughout the day, but I do have some meetings and classes that happen during the middle of the day. So the best time is between 1:30 and 3:30. Also for your student, that if they have questions or want to contact me, I'm very happy to talk by the chat by phone or to arrange something. So this is a good time to connect with me if need be. I've been asked to point out my grading scheme. So for chemistry, the grading scheme follows the traditional one. So 70 to 80 is a C, 80 to 90 is a B, and 90 to 100 is an A. There is no such thing as a D or an F this semester, so there is an incomplete. So less than 70% is incomplete. Roughly break it into three categories. Those things that are just done for completion, so I don't really grade them, just see whether you do it or not. And then some things that are for the initial standards and then more sophisticated standards. So roughly it all gets put into the one grading category, and I adjust things by the weights that I give them. So things like the project that we're doing in chemistry right now is worth a lot more points than some of the reading that I asked people to do earlier in the semester. If you're in physics with me, it should be pretty similar. So generally in physics, there'll be a final exam worth 10%. We'll have some sorts of assessments that'll be worth the bulk of the money, bulk of the points in the class, and homework and lab work will account for a chunk in there as well. And same grading scheme, 70, 80, 90. And I think that's the same across the building, but yeah, I could be wrong about that. A couple other resources that are available. So I encourage you, if you haven't already, to watch things on Classroom. So Google Classroom is the primary place I post things for students. Put together a few things to help with other things. So I do have a website that I maintain, so drbok.com. You can get there for Physics 1 and Chemistry. I've updated this. So for Chemistry, that you can go there and you'll be able to see the weekly plan. So these exact same things that your student sees, and be able to see what we're up to. I also have posted all my videos into playlists so that you can, anyone can see exactly what I'm asking the students to do, and some of the resources that I'm giving to them to do that. I have also done this for Physics 1. So AP Physics 1 put together the weekly plans, and we've moved on to our second topic here. So I have two playlists, one for kinematics and then a second one for the dynamics, the forces that we're going into. All my videos are publicly available. So I have a YouTube channel, Creekside Science, and you can go and look at any of these. So there are the playlists, as I mentioned, is a great place to start. So not all these videos are mine, many of them are, but a great place to be able to find out expertise. So try to make up for that face time that we just don't have this semester, as we're only remote. I think those are things I was asked to mention. As always, if you have questions, happy to answer them, and I look forward to meeting you in person as much as possible. Talk to you later. Bye.